loves, so I'm just gonna shave my face for the first time. And मैंने जो इस हाथ का press on nails है, I've just opened them because problem हो रहा था. So मैंने अपने hairs को पूरा ऊपर बांध के रखा है. So I'll be just doing this, and I'm doing it for the first time of my life. So first of all, I'm just gonna apply oil, like do my skincare. So for that, I'm using this plum oil, and like I'll be applying all over my face. Like keeping my skincare कुछ time तक ऐसे ही on my face so that it just settle down. आज मैं पहली बार मैं full face shaving करने वाली हूँ. I've never done that before, so let's see कैसा होता experience. So I'll be keeping it for 5 to 6 minutes on my face, and then going to do it. And for that, I'm using these razors, these facial razors. These are by Tinkle. I need to buy good razors, but ये मैंने बहुत लोगों को use करते हुए देखा है. So I'll be using them. So let's just open it. So these are the razors that I'm going to use. मैंने open कर लिया. This comes up with covers as well, as you all can see. So hygienic. So इसको कैसे खोलते हैं? Yeah, I've opened it, and this is what it looks like, as you all can see. So they are sharp and ready to be used. So I'll be starting from here to make like glass ले लेती हूँ so that it helps me. Camera में देख के करना it's not easy. So I'll be holding it like a pen. First time, fingers crossed. Hopefully सब कुछ ठीक ठाक जाए. So मेरा जो mirror है वो नीचे placed है, so मैं नीचे कभी कभी देख सकती हूँ. I might. So I'll be just holding it like this. Can you see that? Wow. That's a lot of hair. Just look, it's so smooth. Wow. Can you see यहाँ पे कितना clear हुआ rather than this? I have so much hair on my face. So yeah. I have a problematic area here, तो मैं बहुत light hand जाऊँगी यहाँ पे. Make sure you go very light hand so that you don't cut yourself. बहुत light hand जा रही हूँ, and I have a lot of hair. As I go, I just gonna clean the razor, and wow. So now I'm just gonna take a small. See, I have also some dead cells जो कि बाहर आ रहा है. Well done. ये साइड पूरा क्लीन हो चुका है, and I have a lot of dead cells यहाँ पे, and then also hairs. तो ये साइड a lot of hair. So many dead skin cells, and my face looks so clear. That's nice. I'll also go over all the हल्के हाथ से. I'm doing it for the first time, so being a little nervous. I might but my face feels so smooth. Now I'm going to do the upper lip part. Very small strokes लेने हैं, not too harsh. You might end up cutting yourself. So, और जब आप कर रहे होते हो उस टाइम पे बात नहीं करना है. If you are a beginner. जैसे आप पार्लर में जाने से you do ये करना है आपको. Now coming to the chin part. बहुत सारे like dead skin cells भी निकल के आए हैं. Now I'm done with this part. इसमें मैं finishing फिर भी दूंगी, but now I'm going to do the forehead part. So to do the forehead part, I'm just going to do this and coming downward portion. I'm waiting in this portion क्योंकि eyebrows को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से करना होगा. I have so much hair over here. Can you see? कितना clean लग रहा है. Like neat सा एक line देना चाहती हूँ, but if you are okay with it, you can keep it. Okay, so face almost clean हो चुका है. Now it's time to do the eyebrows, and for that I need precision. So now ये middle portion. Okay, great. Now ये नीचे का portion. I've learned this from Shreya James, so she used to do this, and then I hope that works. I'm going very light hand over here because it's very sensitive area. I think I'm done. और जो extra बाल है वो मैं tweezer से निकाल लूँगी. Now I'm just gonna like remove any excess hair that's there on my face, that's sitting on my face after the shaving. क्योंकि अभी मैं फाइनल वाला करने वाली हूँ. And just swipe my razor all over my face again. This areas never looked this clean before shaving. My goodness, my face looks so clean. In this area now, so I will be definitely going for a clean shaving. Also ये पोर्शन में बहुत हेयर है मेरे, so I think I'm done. See the amount of hair and dead cells that's there on my face. My skin feels so smooth after shaving. I like it. First experience was really nice. I'm done with the razor, so I'm just gonna पहले तो clean कर लेते हैं and then gonna put it. आगे से clean करेंगे हम, तो I'll just so that it shape रहे, you know. Okay, so I am done with the cleanup routine, like my shaving routine for the first time, and I feel so awesome. My face looks so much clearer than what it used to look like, especially this area. I used to have so much hair here. Now it's all clean and very smooth to touch, and it feels very smooth. So I'm gonna stick to this shaving routine. This is my first experience, and it was amazing. Even my brows look so good. I did really good job, I feel, right? Being a first timer, you know, like I think I did a good job. Please let me know in the comment section you know, like how you wanna rate my first experience of doing like, you know, like facial hair removal or shaving at home, and also doing my brows at home. They look fabulous, I guess. मेरी एक ब्राउ थोड़ी सी छोटी है, ऐसी ही छोटी है, तो मैं जब उसको बनाती हूँ, लाइक आई ब्राउ ड्रॉ करती हूँ, तो आई जस्ट मेक देम यू नो लाइक दोनों इक्वल साइज का. एंड so smooth, I just cannot wait to put makeup on this smooth skin. I feel like keep touching it, it's so smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed and also learned, and also you guys would be shaving your face like अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने नहीं किया है and you have seen how it feels, मैं definitely recommend नहीं करूँगी आप लोग पार्लर जाके you know like threading कराओ full face पे, because that's very painful. Along with that वो बहुत bumps भी create करता है. So you know like using razors like this, they are very convenient. एक तो painless है and result भी बहुत अच्छा देता है. Let's just see, this is the first time मैंने use किया है. Let's see कैसा रहता है experience, but as of now I'm feeling so good and my skin feels so good. So आज के लिए इतना ही. I hope you guys like this video and learned something from this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.